Okay, to apply the absolute value rule that we learned in video 1, we need to make sure that the absolute value is first isolated. So we need to have it in the form, the absolute value of x alone on a side, it's isolated, is equal to some number. So for example, in A, I have this minus 3, which I need to move over. So I'm going to begin by plussing 3, and then I get the absolute value of x is equal to 2. And I can apply my rule that either x is equal to 2 or x is equal to negative 2. Notice there's no 2's in that problem. Example B, let's do this again. I need to isolate it so that it's simple like this. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract this 14 from both sides. And I'm going to be left with negative 3, absolute value of x is equal to negative 12. Now what I want to do is I want to divide by the negative 3 on both sides. And that's going to give me that absolute value of x is equal to 4. So now I can apply my absolute value rule and get that x is either 4 or x is negative 4. All right, C is a little bit different. Again, I have my absolute value, but it's not isolated, so I need to get rid of the 6 first. And I'll have the absolute value of x plus 5 is equal to 7. All right, so it's isolated. So now I'm going to take the inside of it, the x plus 5, and say this is equal to 7, or the x plus 5 is equal to negative 7. Then solve that and do the minus 5 from both sides here and get that x is equal to 2. And same thing over here, minus 5 here, and get that x is equal to negative 12. And so here is my answer. We'll save example D for class tomorrow, so we'll save that. But now you try this one, stop the video and try it, and then we'll move on to the next one, which is a little bit different. Okay, so now we have an absolute value on both sides, and we're going to do this with this. We're going to, they're isolated, both of them. The absolute values are alone. So I'm going to take the inside of this, 2x minus 3, and say that it's equal to a positive x plus 6, or 2x minus 3 is equal to the negative of x plus 6. So same idea, either positive exactly as it is or the negative of it. So then when I solve it, I'm going to subtract the x and get x minus 3 is equal to 6, and then add the 3 and get that x is equal to 9. And then on the second one, I'm going to add 3 to both. Oops, I need to distribute this, and I need to get the minus x minus 6. So then I'm going to add 3 to both sides. I'll just put it right there. And that's going to give me 2x is equal to a negative x, and negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. And then I'm going to add my x here and get that 3x is equal to negative 3, so x is equal to negative 1. So I get these two answers. What happened?